Relative pronouns connect two ideas about the same thing. Today we learn about which. This pronoun refers to things and animals. It gives extra information about objects and pets. Which refers to all kinds of things like books, cars, houses, computers. It also refers to animals like dogs, cats, birds, fish. Use which when talking about objects or creatures. Listen to this sentence. This is the car which I bought yesterday. The word which connects back to the car. It tells us more about that specific car. Which replaces the word car in the second part. Now an animal example. I have a dog which loves to play fetch. Here, which refers to dog. It gives extra information about this particular dog. Animals use which just like objects. Which usually comes after a comma in sentences giving extra information. Notice the commas here. For essential information without commas, we often use that instead of which. The book which you recommended is excellent. This house, which is historic, needs repairs. In both sentences, which gives more details about the book and the house. Now practice time. Fill in the blank, the balloon which I bought popped. Correct answer is which. Second sentence, this bird which sings beautifully. Again, the answer is which. Complete these sentences with which. The keys, which are on the table, belong to Sarah. I can't find the pen which I used yesterday. The movie, which won several awards, is now available online. The shoes which she bought are very expensive.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.